Today we are going to see the operations of rational expressions. Okay, operations of rational expressions means nothing but doing operations like multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction using rational expressions. Okay, ஸோ ரேஷ்னல்னா என்ன ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒரு ஃப்ராக்ஷன் தான். சரியா, நைன்த்லேயே படிச்சுக்க ஒரு ரேஷ்னல் இரேஷ்னல் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ ஒரு நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது, இப்போது 1/2, 3/4, தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் ரேஷ்னல் நம்பர்ஸ். ஓகே, லைக் தட் இஃப் யூ யூஸ் பாலினாமியல்ஸ் லைக் திஸ், p of xங்கிற ஒரு பாலினாமியல் இருக்குது, q of xங்கிற ஒரு பாலினாமியல் இருக்குது. இஃப் யூ டேக் த ரேஷியோ பிட்வீன் தீஸ் டூ திங்ஸ், தட் இஸ் this one is a rational expression. Okay, p of x by q of x, where q of x not equal to 0, q of x not equal to 0, ratio of two polynomials is the rational expression. Okay, so now we can do some problems using this thing. Simply you have to do addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Okay, first it is given multiplication. So multiplication means you have to simplify the thing. Okay, இப்போது 3/9 இருக்குது. How will you do the simplify this one? 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So you will get 1/3. Like if this one is in numerical. Okay, நம்பர் வச்சு செய்கிறது இதை நம்ம வந்து பாலினாமியல் யூஸ் பண்ணி சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும். தட் இஸ் த திங். ஓகே, டு இட்ஸ் லோயஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் மீன்ஸ் எவ்வளோத்துக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் நம்மளால் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளோத்துக்கு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிடணும். ஓகே, அதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் அப்படிங்கிறது. சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் அப்படிங்கும்போது p of x, q of xோட ஜிசிடி வந்து 1ஆக இருக்கணும். ஓகே, தே மஸ்ட் பி ரிலேட்டிவ்லி ப்ரைமாக இருக்கணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்துடணும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் த திங். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க exercise 3.4ல reduce to the lowest form. சரியா, reduce to the lowest form. So the first one is x square minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, the first one is x square minus 1 by x square plus x. What will you do? X square minus 1 means it is x square minus a square. Like that, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Like that you can factorize this thing. X square minus 1 as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now here you can take x common. Okay, x outside. So take x outside, then what will you get? X plus 1. Now you can cancel x plus 1 and here x plus 1. So the remaining thing is x minus 1 by x. Okay, this is the lowest form. Okay, so the next sum is x square minus 11x plus 18 by x square minus 4x plus 4. So this can be factorized. You have to factorize these two things. Okay, you have to factorize these two things. This one is quadratic polynomial, this one is also a quadratic polynomial. So you have to factorize these two things. For factorization, what you have to do? It is 18 is in the last constant term. So you have to multiply this one as you have to choose the factor which one is giving 18 when multiplied and giving minus 11 when added. So 18 க்கு பார்த்தோன்னா எந்த டிவைசஸ் வரும்? 2 9. So if you put minus in both numbers, minus 9 minus 2, if you multiply these two things you will get 18 plus 18. If you add these two things you will get minus 11. So by x, so x minus 9, x minus 2 is the factor. So you can write for x square minus 11x plus 18, you can write x minus 9 into x minus 2. Like that, if you factorize this one, you will get x minus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, if you factorize these two things, 4, 2 into 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. If you add these two things, you will get minus 4. So x minus 2 into x minus 2. So you can get x minus 2 can be cancelled. So what will you get? X minus 9 by x minus 2 is the answer. Okay, the next one is 9x square plus 81x by x cube plus 8x square minus 9x. Now this, in this one 9x can be taken out. So 9x can be taken out, then what will you get? X plus 9, 9x into x plus 9. Here also you can take x outside. If you take x outside, what will you get? X into x square plus 8x minus 9. Now this x can be cancelled. Then you have to factorize this one. If you factorize this one, what will you get? Minus 9. For minus 9, minus 1 into 9. 1 9 is 9. So if you add these two things, you will get 8. Okay. So minus x minus 1, x plus 9. So if you take this one, x plus 9 get cancelled. So the answer is 9 by x minus 1. So the next one is p square minus 3p minus 40. Like that, here 2p cube minus 24p square plus 6p. Here 2p can be taken out. If you take 2p common outside, then what will you get? P square minus 12p plus 32. Now you have to factorize these two things. If you factorize this one, what will you get? X plus p plus 5 into p minus 8. For minus 40, you have to multiply 5 into minus 8. Then you will get, if you multiply these two things, you will get minus 40. If you add these two things, you will get minus 3. by p. So p plus 5 into p minus 8. Like that, if you factorize this one, what you will get? For 32, you have to choose 8 and 4 minus 8. Okay, by p. So p minus 4, p minus 8. So if you write all these things, the p minus 8 will be cancelled. So the answer is p plus 5 by 2p into p minus 4. Okay. Now the next one is now find the excluded values. The next sum is excluded values. You have to know how to find the excluded values. Excluded values means nothing. In the place, in the denominator, if you put equal to 0, then you can find out the answer for the y here. Then that answer is the excluded value. That means excluded value means for which value you are getting 0 for the denominator. That value are excluded values. A value that makes a rational expression p of x by q of x undefined is called an excluded value. So excluded value na ஒன்றும் இல்லை. By 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா அது undefined போயிரும் தானே. Anything by 0 is infinity. So undefined வந்துரும். அப்படிதானா? So எந்த value denominator 0 ஆக்குதோ அந்த value தான் excluded value. Excluded value is nothing but the value which makes the denominator 0. So to find out that thing, what you have to do? You have to equate the denominator to 0 and you have to find out the value of the variable. Then that value is the excluded value. Okay. So now here the second one is in the exercise 3.4. The second one is exercise 3.4. Second one is find the excluded values. Okay. So find the excluded value of y by y square minus 25. What you have to do? You have to take the denominator. For excluded values, you have to take the denominator alone and equate it to 0. So y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 25. Then y is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay. So the excluded values are 5 comma minus 5. Okay, 5 comma minus 5. Then the second one, t by t square minus 5t plus 6. So you have to take t square minus 5t plus 6. You have to factorize these two things. If you factorize these two things, if you factorize this quadratic, what will you get? T minus 3 into t minus 2. Okay. 6 row minus 3 into minus 2. So by t t minus 3, t minus 2. So if you equate t minus 3 into t minus 2 equal to 0, t minus 3 will be 0 or t minus 2 will be 0. Then t is equal to 3, t is equal to 2. So the excluded values are 3 comma 2. Okay. So the next one, x square plus 6x plus 8 by x square plus x minus 2. So here to find out the excluded values, there is only you have to look for denominator. Okay, so x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then if you factorize this one, what will you get? X minus 1 into x plus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2. The excluded values are 1 comma minus 2. The fourth one is x cube minus 27 by x cube plus x square minus 6x. Here you can take this one as if you take the denominator, x cube plus x square minus 6x equal to 0. So if you take x common, then x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. X into x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So x must be 0 or this one must be 0. If you factorize this one, x plus 3 x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 2. So what are the excluded values? Here one 0 is there, so you should not forget that one. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 2. So 0, minus 3, 2 are the excluded values. That's all about the exercise 3.4. Okay, thank you.